And we're back. All right, now we're talking about direct and inverse variation. These are sections 4.7 and 8, as you can see there. For numbers 4 and 5, we're going to use direct or inverse, and then we're going to use joint variation on number 6. All right, direct variation, if you remember, is just multiplication. So it looks like this. For direct, it's y equals k times x. Inverse is y equals k divided by x. All right. So if y varies directly with x and y is 15, x is negative 5, let's find k. So divide by negative 5, k equals negative 3. Find y when x is 7. So I want to use that k value now. So y equals negative 3 times 7. So y should be negative 21. All right, let's keep going. Y varies inversely with x if y is 16 and x is 4. So let's find k. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 4. So k equals 64. Well, now let's use that. Find find x when y is 32. So 32 equals 64 over x. 1. Multiplying 32x equals 64. Divide by 32. Divide by 32. X. Let's keep going. Joint variation now. So joint variation means we're just going to have more than one variable. That's all. That's the only difference there. So y varies directly with x. So that means y equals k times x, and inversely with as z. So inversely meaning divided by z. Okay. When y is 24 and x is 48, z is 12. So let's find k. So what is k? 48 divided by 12. I get 24 equals 4k. Divide both sides by 4. K equals 6. The second part says find y, and when x is 5 and z is 15. So y equals 6 times 5 over 15. Well, 6 times 5 is 30. Divided by 15, y equals 2. Should we keep going? Yeah, let's do 2 more. All right, so this is section 4.9 now. For number 7 and 8, we want to use these two functions. So we want to find, first one, we'll find f of 3. That means I'm going to take this 3 and plug it into x into my function. So f of 3 will look like 4 quantity times 3 squared minus 17. All right, well, a lot of people make this mistake where they multiply the 4 and the 3 first. Don't multiply the 4 and the 3 first. You actually want to square the 3 first. So 3 squared is 9. 4 times 9 minus 17. 4 times 9 is 36 minus 17 equals 13. Excuse me. So sorry. F of 3 equals 19. All right. Part 8 wants me to find x now when g of x equals 19. So in the last one, I put a number in for x. Now I want to find a value for x given the value of my function. So if I say that g of x, I'm going to do this let's do this in green. G of x is 2x minus 9. Well, now I'm telling you that g of x is 19. Add the 9 over, divided by 2, x equals 14. That's a G. Boom. All right, we'll pick up there